Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren said that the complexity surrounding Manipur's situation is such that it is almost impossible to solve overnight. The Chief Minister was interacting with the media after filing nomination papers for BJP candidate T.H. Basantakumar at the office of Returning Officer in Imphal West DC Office Complex, Imphal. Basantakumar, who is contesting from inner parliamentary seat, was accompanied by Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren, Party President A. Sharda, among others. Biren further said it was BJP that introduced inner line permit ILP system, which was not implemented over the last 50 years. In addition to the existing 10-kilometer fencing along Indo-Myanmar border, Biren said funds have been sanctioned to fence for another 21 kilometer. Moreover, Free Movement Regiment, that is FMR, another pressing issue to check the demographic imbalance, was also scrapped by the BJP, aided Biren.
Border guarding force, BSF the Sinagani and whatever party, Manipur, Mitop lady, Changsal Lake Mayamse, Giyanga and the Bharat Pumbagoina, NRC Toropada, Manipur's part, Amagoini had an NRC, the one never get them petition, Lobang Amiba, Sugumama Tamsi the Nari, Balinasi, Hananabequina, both behold by the Manipur Project. And I for the Queen and Naragala Abani, appeasement policy, Amagamaga Yana, Machet Amamada P, Machet Amam the P, Lapas Hasendo, Manipur Project, Ukraini. For it, Kauda, Lissingama Hapaga Sakpayaram, the Matamdo, Manipur Prajan and Ningsing View, Ningsing Bigani, and the Adugumba situation to Amukana Lakanaba, Batas and the party, Modi Zigilakato River, Tar, Yining Sidata, Akwisi, Honorable Education Minister, former IPS officer, Josi Minister Warivani, well qualified. I think Tumda Sabata Minaraba, experience later, Mayam Nunchibu, Mayam Sagutu. Machet namata Manipur compromise or Manipur Punba, Loina Manipur lady, indigenous peoples may Sigi, protect unity Tambaisa. What does that party commitment?
BJP candidate T.H. Basantakumar expressed his confidence that the BJP will emerge victorious all over the country to pave a way for NDA's third term and Manipur should not miss the train. Asserting that the ensuing Lok Sabha polls is crucial for Manipur, Basantakumar said India is heading towards becoming third biggest economy in the world and Manipur is going to be part of it.
Manipur ki praja miyam na appeal tawzari madadi Bharatiya Janata Party ko support tawbiyu center the power so itana pairakani madada koi lairiba Manipur ki issue miyam se koi solve tawbi damakto miyam support tawbiraga Honabinasi have Thamsage, Aduga Lakdor election say, Adukimatic Maru election, very important election, very crucial election. Akoi Manipuri survival, Manipuri music, Lairiba, we have to exist as a state and as a people together. Masi, Hantaki elections Sina decide Togani, Hantaki elections or Matungadi, Kanna Honaminarga, state government as well as central government, Honaminarga, Hariba peace, so in the Lakani, Adumayam, Hanagi, Adumaina. Tangdu Laitana Lainaway the Makta, Punno, one of the sea, Habitat, Thamsari.